Tutorial for searching in the Criminal Justice Collection available in HCTC Library's Gale Resources database. This tutorial is meant for beginners and will cover basic search strategies and methods. Let's begin. First, navigate to the library homepage by clicking Current Students, Library. Find the Gale Resources 2.0 link on the library's Catalogs and Databases page. From the main Gale Resources 2.0 homepage, you can select an individual database. Scroll down to the Criminal Justice Collection and click on the hyperlink title. This is the homepage for the Criminal Justice Collection. You can type your keyword into the search bar. The collection will give suggested searches as you type. You may also choose to explore such features as the subject guide search, publication search, or topic finder. You can access help and advanced search features here in the gray bar at the top of your screen. In advanced search, you can search multiple keywords, authors, geographic locations, publications, etc. You can connect those keywords with Boolean operators, which inform the search engine how to treat each keyword. For example, searching for Second Amendment and felon will only give you sources where both keywords are present in the article. This is a useful tool for narrowing a search. Other Boolean operators include OR and NOT, which expand and narrow a search accordingly. You can learn more about Boolean operators by accessing the Help feature in the Criminal Justice Collection. Also, from the Advanced Search page, make sure you select the Full Text checkbox. This allows the collection to only search for articles that you can read entirely online. You can also select peer-reviewed journals if you are searching for scholarly resources. Peer review is a process where experts in the field the author is writing in must approve the article's publication. Let's run our search for Second Amendment and felon with the full text and peer-reviewed journals boxes checked. Click Search. Here's our results page. From this page, you can see that we have 154 articles. On the right side of the screen, you can see the option to further narrow your results using features such as publication date, subjects, document type, and publication title. Let's click United States Constitution beneath Subject. Now we have 57 articles to choose our source from. The results list gives you some options for deciding which articles may be of use to your assignment. You can read the abstract here, or you can open the PDF by clicking here. Side note, if you want to print your article, use the PDF view to print instead of the database print tool. Let's click this article, Scrutinizing the Second Amendment. The full text HTML view is available here, which you can skim to see if you are interested in the content. You will also find the bibliographic information here, which you will need to cite your source. Bibliographic information contains things such as the author or authors' names, the publication date, the URL of the journal, volume and issue number, and page range. Clicking on Listen generates an audio reading of the article, which you can listen to if preferred. On the right side of the screen, you will find the tools. The most useful feature here is the citation tool. Clicking this will generate a citation for the article that you can copy and paste directly into your works cited. Make sure when you paste that you merge or keep formatting as is to retain the italics. This has been the basics of searching the Criminal Justice Collection in Gale Resources 2.0. If you have any questions or would like to get further help with accessing and navigating this collection, you can find a scheduling form to schedule a one-on-one session with a librarian on the library webpage beneath Services for Students, Student Instructional Request. Thank you for viewing this video.